The electrification of our society is happening quickly. All our devices, gadgets, and electric vehicles need power. But the increasing demand and a more complex energy market can lead to issues.
In addition to high prices, we sometimes experience electric power shortages. To tackle these changes, we need to change our behaviors, and smart meters play a crucial role in the solution.
Telia is connecting a massive amount of smart electricity meters in Sweden. More than half of these meters are installed by Nordic, an end-to-end service provider within smart metering and smart grid solutions.
Basically, a smart electricity meter measures the production and consumption and monitors the power quality, and thanks to its connectivity, it sends the data and alarms to an advanced central system. Smart meters are often located underground, and sometimes it can present comprehensive challenges for the connectivity. Telia managed IoT connectivity ensures seamless communication even in these hard-to-reach places.
With Telia as our partner, we're able to provide a pioneering smart metering solution with new technology. The solution has proven to be highly reliable and has also saved costs for us in the deployment. Telia offers a flexible solution that allows us to integrate data into Nordic hidden system using APIs.
With connected smart meters, we not only empower distribution companies to take control over their assets and work more proactively. We also provide end customers, just like you and me, with insights and power to engage and control our energy consumption. We are now looking into how this could be applied to other areas, such as for water metering and district heating.
Data lays the foundation for informed decisions on energy usage, paving the way for a more sustainable future that we create together.